What's going on, guys? Tyson Anderson, Mr. Hammer Down,
out here with Miss Molly. Hey, Molly. What's your Molly? What's your Molly? What's your Molly? What's your baby? What's your Molly? Hey, their first day here. This is her full little mate sister, Miss Chilli. These are big meadow bred dogs, from what I've been told. I don't know, I haven't seen paperwork. I just have a task at hand, and I'm gonna turn these dogs around. Old Molly, they said they're running already. Need to be tuned up. Hey son, what do you say? Old Buster. That old Chief, I hate that these dogs just ball up like that. Old Sue. Hey mama. Old Sally. There's your mama. Hey, big man Charlie. Hey, big man Charlie. Big man Charlie. These are the dogs that are incomplete right now. Outside of, only one I'm not showing is Queenie. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got a total of 9. Hey, mama. 9 young dogs. What's your say? 9. Bust the bus. What you chilling for, huh? There's your chief. Hey, your man. What's your baby? So just like the others. Hey, Sue. Hi, Sue. Sue been putting in work, guys. Y'all see them ears. This little bitch been putting in some work, cuz. Sally, what's your mouth? Yes, Lord. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna finish these 9 out. These 7 right here I'm showing you. One dog guy doesn't want to be shown. And Charlie. I put him on the longest tie out. I'm cleaning kennels right now. These dogs are kept inside. They've got heat, they've got air. They live better than most of us. And they get fed the best, a Nook Shook. I recommend it. Highly recommend it. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna finish cleaning the inside of this kennel out. And yes, sir. These are 2 new guns. Just got them today out of Rocky Mountain, Virginia. Mr. English and Mr. Harper. Y'all won't be disappointed, gentlemen. What's your mama? What's your girl? What's your mama? Molly. You gonna run for me? I got them the reject collars right now. They gotta earn the show enough good ones. They still have my tag on them. And all of them are wearing leather collars. Hey, mama. They seem to be pretty good personality type of dogs. We'll see. And see if they can stand to the test of time. Bust the bus. Hey, big man. What's your man, big man? What's your man? What's your man, big man? What's your man? Why you acting all spooky, man? You ain't no spooky dog. He said, cuz I'm a little camera shy. Y'all stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna run these dogs in the morning. Right now, 6:37 p.m. I'm sorry, 7:11 p.m. And so y'all stay tuned. Sue. What's your mama? What's your baby? What's a Sally? What's your Sally?
a few minutes later.
So guys, as I've always said, we run a very tight ship here. This is our 2nd time washing her. This is old Molly. They are, you can see the dirt in her. It's okay, because most guys keep the dogs outside. We don't care about that. Really not worried about it. We just want to make sure we have a good flea control on the dogs. good flea control on the dogs. Make sure we have no ear mites, all that good stuff. I don't have parasites at my kennel, and so I don't invite them in. Before you even get in my kennel, first thing I do is separate you from the other dogs and wash you. Got vet appointments with these dogs. All dogs that come here, guys, that's what they get, the same treatment. You know how many guys that hunt dogs don't even wash their dogs? Now, I'm not throwing off on anybody. I'm talking about guys that are bigger name guys. They don't even wash their dogs, man. They don't even keep the dogs healthy, clean. You know, they think food and water and worm medicine is it, but it's more to it than that. Now, I'm talking about the professionals. I ain't talking about the guys that are just trying to have some dogs to hunt with, okay? So old Molly, she will go into the vet tomorrow, check her out, make sure she's good and all that good stuff. Get those toenails clipped, and we'll go from there, guys. We'll do the same thing with her sister. Y'all stay tuned. We'll run these dogs in the morning. Stay tuned. We'll take them to the park tonight, do some basic work, and handle them, make sure they're good with the collar, and go from there. Stay tuned. Night and day difference with that bitch. Crazy. It's crazy, guys. So Chilli, get her washed up. She's gonna be good looking, fairly good looking dog once she gets situated. Oh yeah. That's your mama. We'll clean those ears good. Get her nails good. Ain't that right, mama? It's your right, mama. What's your mama? It's your right. Stay tuned. We run in the morning.
11 hours later.
What's going on, guys? Tyson Anderson. Mr. Hammer Down. Now here with the Mustang this morning, guys. I've got old Buster. Use the bathroom right there. Got old Buster. Got old Molly. Got old Sue. And they got old Chilli. That's Miss Chilli right there. Hey, here. Oh, here. Hey. Woo. Hey, hey. Come on here. Hey, hey, hey. I was hoping that wasn't gonna happen. I was trying to pull him. Buster for the jump. I did not want them to run that rabbit. Buster got it. I'm expecting Choppy running today. See if I can pull this dog. Hey, go, hey, go, hey, go, hey, go. Right here. Dang. I really don't like those dogs jumping right here, man, but I need the rabbit to come this way. out there running, man. What I expected, though. Hey, 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 right here, right here. Hey, 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 right here, right here, right here. Try to call him on this other side, guys. Stay tuned. Right here, Molly. Hey, Chilli, right here, right here, right here. Pick him up in there. Pick him up in there. Hey, hey, hey. Woo! Pick him up in here. Mind him. Mind y'all. Trying to get the mother dogs in here. Pick him up. Mind y'all. Mind him. Mind y'all. Mind him. Hey, Sue. Hey, Buster. They splitting him on that back end over there. See if I can get a jump up right here. Find him! He busted him and he done brought that rabbit back. Hey, go Buster! Man, I gotta go right back up here. Whatever happened last time, the rat came down here, they met up. Hopefully we can have a race now, guys. Buster! That Buster pulling that mouth, boy. Y'all better leave that dog alone. And I had Buster up for about 2 or 3 days. Been running other dogs. Other dogs I can't show y'all. Buster! Buster for the check, guys. Buster, good God Almighty. Buster! Y'all better leave that dog alone, man. Speed ain't everything. Buster. Buster for the re-jump. Running's rep about 40 minutes. Conditions went to crap when we got up here. Got tough, hit them pine needles. It's gonna take the biggest nose dog with the most brains to work it out. We're gonna see who that is. He crossed that path where I was standing at. And everybody in this pack except Sue wants the front run. So we're gonna see what we're working with, guys. This is our first run with these dogs. These two. Tough running right now, it seems like. Choppy. Dogs seem to have pretty good prey drive. Haven't been able to test their grit and their heart just yet, but I will. Y'all know I will. And we'll see exactly where they fall after we've been running for about 5 or 6 hours. It's tough when they got to walk them out type of stage, which is what Buster's doing. Can't even drive them. I love that. Lets me see exactly where your mind is at. To me, I like to put a dog in all kind of circumstances and situations. That's the darker chocolate dog he called Chilli.
A few minutes later.
Good dogs. Come on here, let's find them in here. They dropped them over there on that field. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, Buster. He working the inside. He think he's slick so that he can hit it and have a go-ahead on the rest of these dogs. He think he's slick, guys. Find them, Buster. These puppies right here. Old pup. Told you. Buster smooth, man. And he got a huge nose. He'll hit, but he gonna watch him jump up. Hey, Chilli. Get to him, Chilli. Buster for the good check. Boy, I tell you, this is pitiful. But you gotta stay out here, guys. We've had one or two pieces of the race upstairs. Sue for that re-jump. tipping. He trying to throw him right now. That's what he's doing. He's trying to throw him. We've moved down. Last rabbit, they ran pretty fair and dropped them.
The sun went down and the jungle fire was burning. Down the track came a hobo hiking, and he said, "Boys, I'm not turning.
So we're down here,
I'm headed for a
making our way
land
back
that's far away,
to where we
beside
first
the
cut loose
crystal
at.
fountain.
I believe they're
Come with me, we'll go
tracking where those dogs have already ran. Possibly, I don't know. We'll see. That Chilli dog's got a big nose and some extra mouth. But this is all part of assessment.
Where the boxcars all are empty and the sun shines every day. On the birds and the
Pick 'em up,
bees
Sue.
and the cigarette trees,
Bye.
the lemonade springs where the
Hey, Buff,
bluebird
help here.
sings in the big rock candy
What we
mountain.
got going on right here?
In the big rock candy mountain,
Help here.
all the cops have wooden legs,
I thought they were about to
and
go
the
on with it. Hey,
bulldogs
Sue.
all have rubber teeth, and the hens lay soft-boiled eggs. The farmer's trees are full of fruit, and the barns are full of hay.
Do not use that toilet!